Creator, App Analytics. So when you first open your app, and I'll go back to our dashboard. When we come into our dashboard, you're going to see these overall analytics here. This is all demo data. It actually says it right here for you. And what that basically means is this is not your data. This is give you an example of what it would look like. So I'm going to show you how to work with that and kind of see that here. So let's go back into this tutorial app. And I'm going to go down here to Analytics. And I'm going to go to App Analytics here. We're going to go over Feature in the next tutorial. Okay, so let's click here. And there we go. So we have a wave graph here. What this is showing, and everything is labeled for you to keep it really simple. Your total number of visits, your total number of installs. Okay, so this is how many people actually went, visited your app in the store, clicked on it, did all of that. This is how many people installed it. Okay, once again, this is all demo numbers just for your tutorial purposes. Alright, so we have number of users here on the side, and this is a month here. Okay, now also we have a map here. The localization is basically what it implies and what it looks like. It shows you where your users are coming from. So you can scroll up and down. I have users here over in Australia, Asia, Europe, where it has its headquarters, even though this is not us, and America here. So this kind of shows where our users are at. This is the same things up here, our installs. It's just going to show us versus iOS and versus Android in a circle graph form. Okay, we come over here, we can see 300, we see 50 here. Alright, time spent in application is actually going to show you by the minute how long people are actually using your app, which is really cool to know. It kind of helps you figure out how engaging your app is. Okay, now if we come down here, we go ask by feature, so we can see which features inside of our application is performing well, where people are spending the most time. This to help you kind of get smart on how you're building your app. Alright, now if we come over here to visits by feature, it's going to have our top 5. So this is basically our top 5 features inside our application. Here, for example, is commerce, contact, form, catalog, and our information page. Okay, that just shows us where people are spending our time once again. Alright, now in the next tutorial, we're going to go over feature analytics. Until then, I'll talk to you next time.